Back in the day, before direct deposit, we used to get a paycheck stub for our records, and you probably remember a deduction from Medicare. Some people might assume that this contribution means that you've paid your Medicare insurance and it will be free when you turn 65. I wish I could tell you that this is true. In reality, the Medicare tax only pays a portion of costs. In this video, I'll share with you the costs you should expect to pay when you go on Medicare. Hi, my name is Joanne Quinn. I'm co-founder of Medigap.com and an independent insurance agent. For the last 9 years, I've helped thousands of Medicare beneficiaries understand how Medicare works. So let's dive into today's topic by starting with what actually is free when it comes to Medicare. For most people, Part A is premium free. You usually don't pay a monthly premium for Medicare Part A, which is your hospital insurance coverage, if you or your spouse paid Medicare taxes for a certain amount of time while working. But if you don't qualify for premium-free Part A, you can buy Part A. At the time of this video, the cost for Part A is $274 or $499 a month, depending on how long you or your spouse worked and paid Medicare taxes. Now, Part B is not free. Even if you've worked the required amount of time and paid Medicare taxes, everyone pays for Part B. The Part B premium is in relation to your modified adjusted gross income from your tax return 2 years ago. And at the time of this video, the standard premium is $170.10 a month. Now, this chart shows the cutoff amount for the standard premium. Anything over these amounts, you'll pay a higher premium. Now, you can access this chart on Medicare.gov, and I'll have a link for you in the video notes below. Now, if you're paying more than the standard Part B premium for your medical insurance, this is called IRMAA. IRMAA stands for the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount, which is added to the standard Part B premium. And a couple of notes about Part B and IRMAA. The first one is, if you have a life-changing event, you can appeal IRMAA using Form SSA 44 from the Social Security Administration. And the second note is that your Part B premium amount is reviewed each year. Social Security always looks back 2 years to determine your premium for the new year. So at this point, we know that you have to pay the Part B premium, and the amount is in relation to your modified adjusted gross income from your tax return 2 years ago. But since Medicare Part A and Part B don't cover all your healthcare costs, there are additional types of coverage to consider. Part D is prescription drug plan coverage. It is optional, and at the time of this video, premiums started around $7 a month in most areas, but the premium may be higher, as you can see here in this list of drug plans. And it is important to note that you should choose a drug plan that's best for your medications that will give you, the best cost overall. It's also important to note that although Part D is optional, you may incur a late enrollment penalty if you do not sign up for a plan when you are Medicare eligible, unless, of course, you've had creditable prescription drug coverage during the time that you were Medicare eligible from an employer or another qualified plan. Now, to add insult to injury, if you had IRMAA applied to your Part B premium, you will also have an extra fee attached to your Part D premium. Again, it is based on your modified adjusted gross income from your tax return 2 years ago. Also optional is a Medicare Advantage plan. This type of plan is typically an HMO or PPO type of insurance. It takes your Part A, your Part B, and many times your Part D and wraps it into one plan that is run by a private insurance company who is now managing your health care. The premium can be anywhere from $0 a month to over $100 a month, just depending on the plan. Now, Medigap, which is also known as Medicare Supplement insurance, is optional as well. When you have a Medigap plan, you are still under Medicare Part A and Part B, and Medicare is also still managing your health care. The Medicare Supplement plan, aka Medigap, picks up your Medicare-approved costs that are not paid for by Medicare. These types of plans vary in price based on factors such as age, gender, tobacco use, and your residential zip code. For example, in zip code 60606, Plan N starts at $88 a month and Plan G starts at $116 a month for a female age 65. So let's recap. As of this video, Part A would be free. Part B, the standard premium is $170.10 a month. Part D will estimate at $20 a month, and a Medigap Plan N at $88 a month, for a total of $278 a month for your health insurance coverage. Now let's remember too that if you are paying IRMAA, the income related monthly adjustment amount, that even if you have a Medicare Advantage plan which may have a $0 premium, you are still paying IRMAA for your Part B premium and also for your Part D premium as well. I hope you found this information useful. For more helpful information, please sign up for my free Medicare e-course. You'll receive one lesson a day in your email with content and videos to guide you through this important process. As always, thank you for watching. Please remember to click the like button, and I'll see you next time. No, limit. I don't know why I can't say that. Okay, I'm gonna go back and redo like that. Just go back a little. I'm gonna start over.